Today we're going to be teaching you how to make this mini ornament advent calendar. I started by getting these plastic gumball machine containers off of Amazon. Then you'll just need a finer grit sandpaper and you'll just need to lightly rub the outsides of the gumball containers on there to just scuff it up a little bit so that the paint will stick. Once you're done scuffing them up, you can start painting them an assortment of colors, whatever your heart desires. Mine needed 2 to 3 layers of paint each, depending on which paint I used. Once they're completely dry, you can start attaching the ornament caps to them using hot glue. Once all of the tops have the ornament caps glued to them, you can start filling them with candy or advent activities. If you want your ornaments numbered, you can do it in a small Sharpie at the base of the ornament where you won't really see it, or you can paint a large number on the side or add a sticker. You could even just do a numbered paper tag to hang from the same ornament hook. I wanted mine to be super simple, so I just left mine as is and then added a teeny tiny number to the bottom in Sharpie. Then you can add your ornament hooks and they are ready to hang on your mini Christmas tree.